Today we're sharing Shonda's breakfast room tablescape refresh. If it's something you're interested in, please keep watching. Hi friends of the twins, welcome back to the channel. Today we're over at Shonda's house and we've given a refresh, a tablescape makeover to her breakfast area that's here in the kitchen. Now this is a relatively new home for Shonda and her family. They've been living here for about 3 years now. And when they initially moved in, they did a beautiful renovation here in the kitchen. And I'm going to link that video. It'll be down in the description box for you if anyone wants to go and check that out. Now in that video, she goes into a lot of detail about where everything came from, including the curtains, the dining room table. You'll see in just a moment she has a unique wine rack. It's actually in the shape of a guitar. That's over to the left of your screen. She goes into detail where she got that from. Just tells you all kinds of things. Now this is the before look, but I will go ahead and tell you these accessories that are presently on the table. She got this centerpiece for $12 at the Goodwill. In just a moment you're going to see a pair of silver candle holders, and they are heavy. Boy, are they heavy. They were $14 for the pair at a thrift store. And the gunmetal placemats that you see, she got those also at a Goodwill. She lucked up on those. She paid $19.99 for all 4 of them. And now friends, we were recently out thrifting and Shonda found this beautiful gold candle holder that she loved. And it actually ended up being our inspiration. And if you'll stay tuned, we're going to show you how we turn this into our new tablescape centerpiece. And here is a new tablescape. It is not your traditional Valentine's tablescape, but it is definitely on time. And if you'll notice, it is a table setting for 2. We love how all of the gold pops against the gray color. And as far as these accessories, well, this set of candle holders were $6. She paid $6 for both of them. Got those at a thrift store recently. And you saw the candle holder that we ended up using for this centerpiece here. Well friends, she paid $8 for this, and then just went ahead and went to the Hobby Lobby, and of course we got all of the flower stems on sale, 50% off. And now what I'm showing you here is I kind of had an idea pop into my head for a napkin fold, so I just kind of ran with it, and I do that a lot. Shonda and I both. You know, decorating is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be anything stressful, and we certainly don't take ourselves too seriously. So we just let the creativity flow and we just hope for the best. She decided to go ahead and use her monogram napkins, and it couldn't have been a more perfect choice. You know, when you use monogram anything, it always elevates a look and is timeless and classy and definitely never goes out of style. Her stemware is vintage and absolutely gorgeous. Now we found these recently at a thrift store and she paid $18 for the set of 4. And the running theme with this tablescape is we used picture frames. That's actually a picture frame that the centerpiece is sitting on, and she's also used picture frames as her place cards. We hope you'll stick around and enjoy the rest of the video. And friends, always, we're going to continue to encourage you to make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thanks so much for watching.